Impressive. Completely useless, but impressive. He trained one thing today, his ability to waste time. 5 mistakes, 5 fixes. Let's go. Mistake number 1, sagging hips. The hips. They drop, they sag, they betray you. Meet this guy. He trains every day. He looks like a dying worm. Sagging hips hyperextend your lower back under load. That's a herniated disc waiting to happen. Core off, chest at 20%, you're doing a slow bad back bend and nothing else. Fix it, squeeze your glutes hard. Brace your abs like you're taking a punch. Imagine a steel rod from your skull to your heels. You're not doing a push-up anymore. You're moving a plank. Hips drop, set over. Mistake number 2, elbows in a T. Nobody told you which way elbows go, and it shows. Elbows flared to T means grinding bone on cartilage every single rep. This is exactly how rotator cuff injuries happen. People say push-ups hurt their shoulders. It's not push-ups, it's your push-ups. Fix, pull elbows back, 45 degrees from your torso. From above, arrow, not T. Arrow equals power, T equals a physio appointment. Mistake number 3, neck craning. Oh, he's so close. Any second now, any second. His chin got there, his chest is still in 2019. Neck craning tricks your brain into thinking you hit depth. You didn't, and every rep compresses your cervical spine. 100 reps is 100 small insults to your neck. Fix, neutral neck. Eyes on the floor, 30 centimeters ahead of your hands. Reps count when your chest touches the floor, not your chin, your chest. That is the standard. Mistake number 4, half reps and speed. He beat me 50 reps to my 4. He's also building 0 muscle today. Muscle growth requires time under tension. Bouncing through a rep in half a second trains momentum, not muscle. Controlled reps, 2 seconds down, 2 seconds up, produce dramatically more activation. Slower also means you feel what's working. Only shoulders? Fix it now. And full range is non-negotiable. Bottom, chest to floor, top, full elbow lockout. 10 quality reps beats 50 garbage reps every single time. Mistake number 5, wrong path. Sneakiest mistake on the list. Looks fine, nobody told you it's wrong, costs you 30% of chest activation on every rep. Think bench press. The bar travels at an angle, not straight up and down. That diagonal arc creates maximum pec tension. Push-ups work the same way. Straight up and down, you're pressing with your front shoulders. Diagonal arc, you're pressing with your chest. Same exercise, completely different muscle. Fix, at the bottom, hands at chest level. Push up and slightly back. Rock forward on your toes going down, back coming up. 5 to 10 centimeters arc, that's all. The first time you do it right, you'll feel your chest turn on like never before. That burning sensation, that's what you've been missing.
Oh yeah.
Bonus, scapula setup. One bonus that separates people who train from people who just move. Before rep 1, pull your shoulder blades down and back, like sliding them into your back pockets. Chest comes forward, shoulders stop compensating, full body tension locks in. Set it at the top, hold it every rep, never let it go. The full checklist, one last time. Glutes and core locked, worm mode permanently deleted. Elbows at 45, arrow, not a scarecrow. Neutral neck, chest to floor, your chin doesn't count. 2 seconds down, 2 up, momentum is for roller coasters. Push on a diagonal arc, finally wake up that chest. Bonus, shoulder blades down and back, every single rep. You don't need more reps, you need better reps. Stop the video right now, drop down, do 10 push-ups. Perfect form, every cue locked in. Then come back and write in the comments how many did you actually finish with perfect form. I read every single one. See you in the next video. Drop a like and subscribe if you're trying to get as strong as Gravity Bro.